Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. This is the unboxing of ECG J-500 Butane Soldering Iron. If any of you guys new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Let's dive in. This iron called ECG J500, which is a 50 watt butane powered soldering iron. This is not a sponsored review. I received this soldering iron as a gift from a family friend. So, let's open the package. The package contains the small blowtorch tip, soldering tip, cap and the igniter, and lastly the soldering iron. The iron looks and feels well made. The iron also has a built-in stand. Changing the tips are super easy. You can go from soldering iron to a blowtorch in a matter of seconds. Just make sure the iron is not hot when you do this. There is a user manual at the back of the paper with detailed instructions how to use it. Let's fill the iron with butane. I bought a Zippo butane canister from Amazon. This iron has a universal fill port at the back, so you need a universal fill nozzle in order to fill it up. This iron's heat is controlled by on-off adjustment valve. Let's turn on the iron. Out of the box, this iron works like a dream. No problems at all. The blowtorch tip also functions as intended. Next, I use a 16 gauge speaker wire for soldering test. Iron has absolutely no problems at all. However, I'm not a big fan of the igniter on the iron because it feels cheap and it looks like an afterthought. Overall, this iron is very well made. If you're looking for inexpensive butane soldering iron, this is it. So, this is unboxing and short review of ECG J500 butane soldering iron. Like always, thank you so much for watching, share, like, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.